you guys been watching the videos, we've been working on this 2013-14 BRZ, same as FRS. We removed the other door panel on the other side. We're going to do the door panel on this side before it gets, well, it's already hot, but let me show you guys how to do it. There's a little plastic cover right here. Get your fill up in there. There's a total of 3 of these guys holding this whole panel together. Now, this piece needs to come out like we did on the other side. I've been able to be successful just putting it right here and popping this cover off from right here, and then slowly just, you know, massaging my way to this clip, that clip. If you pull it enough, it'll stress a brake. Pull that out. You got 2 more screws left. One here and one in here. That's about it that holds the door panel besides all the white clips. You got one plastic interior clip right here. I pop that out. Looks like this. Pretty neat looking clip. You can stick your hand back here, it's thin, and just pull. Wow, glass. And then you pull up like that. Now, these guys, you just give it a little bit of a snug, it will pop out. This is what holds the door panel. You got one right there. You have one big clip right there, and that's how you remove the door panel off the BRZ.